Let's learn the colors with surprise eggs. Let's begin. The first egg is green and orange. Let's see what we have inside. Wow, that's a turtle. It's a green turtle with an umbrella. The umbrella is actually a flower. It's red and orange. She's so happy. The next egg, it's red and blue. Shake, shake. Hello, turtle. That's another turtle. She has a nice bow and some flowers on her back. The next egg, it's blue and orange. Shake, shake. Hello, turtle. Oh, this turtle is a little upset. She fell down. I think she slept on a banana. She has a banana on her head. The next egg is orange and green. Hello, turtle. This turtle is ready to jump in the water. That's the cliff. She jumped out of the cliff. The next egg is green and orange. Shake, shake. Hello, turtle. She's drinking the coconut milk. She has some nice flowers on her head. The next egg, it's purple and yellow. Shake, shake. Hello, turtle. This turtle is listening to the sea. She has some nice red lips and a flower necklace. The next egg, it's yellow and green. Hello, turtle. This is a baby turtle. He just came out of the egg. He's so happy. He has a red bow. The next egg, It's red and green. Shake, shake. Hello, turtle. This turtle is singing on a panpipe. She has a nice hat. And of course the flower necklace. The next egg, it's red and purple. Shake, shake. Hello, turtle. Wow, he's so happy. He's eating a watermelon. He definitely enjoys it. The last egg is orange and red. Shake, shake. Hello, turtle. This turtle is sitting on a leaf. And of course, she paddles. This was the turtle series. Today we've learned the colors. If you like this series, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos with series and colors.